Hello students, Jai Hind to all. This is Civics sir, and I am here for civics. And the topic that we will discuss today, that is brand and brand value. We are in the chapter advertising. You all have seen the first video I have prepared for you yesterday, and today that will be the second video of this chapter. So we have to know what is brand and what is brand value in this video. Imagine going to a supermarket to purchase some important things, but all you see are shelves stocked up with similar looking things. Okay, whenever you go for a supermarket, you think you see everything, all other things. If you are going to buy a pant, a jeans, a shirt, there will be similar racks for jeans and shirts. Okay, but there should be some brand value that I will describe you in this video. You would be able to purchase things better like this, or would you better shop at a place where the products can be distinguished easily? Today, one product is available in different varieties in the market. Let us take mobile phones for example. These are different companies and that sell mobile phones, and they sell each of them with a different and unique name. No two companies will sell their products with the same name. Okay, no two companies will sell their products with the same name. Either you are discussing about Nokia phones, Samsung smartphones, Oppo and Vivo. Many phones are there available. So along with the name, a company has a special and unique symbol which becomes its identity and cannot be used by the other company. It is called a logo. Okay, you have seen the logo, like the phone, most valuable phone like Apple. Okay, so this creates a different and unique identity of their products and distinguishes it with other companies' products. This unique name and logo forms a brand. Okay, a brand is neither created or sustained very easily. Its success is often seen in the value of its consumer's mind. The value of brand in its consumers minds the name like brand value. Okay, so it is decided by the consumer how many percentage of consumers adopt a same thing. When any phone, any shirt, any pant is being purchased in very great amount, so it means the brand value of that brand has been increased. Okay, so they highlight the present the best qualities of products in a way that becomes very attractive for a consumer. Let us see some examples. The first example, that is named as Hamara Bajaj. You all have seen Bajaj bikes in these days, like Bajaj Pulsar, Discover, okay, Platina, all bikes, and the surname is there, Bajaj. Okay, what is about Hamara Bajaj? 40 years back from this day, 40 years back, the two-wheeler Bajaj Chetak of Bajaj Auto Company ruled the market as there was no competition. Before 40 years, there were no competition and only one Bajaj scooter. Okay, it was in the market. As time changed, there were investments and entry of foreign companies in India. At that time, Bajaj innovated in advertising that reminded people of our strong nation and how we are a part of it. It presented Bajaj scooter as something that was an integral part of India's life by showing the day-to-day activity of people dropping children to school on a scooter and changing time with sustained Indian values. They advertise their scooter as people's own scooter. It means लोगों का खुद का स्कूटर या लोगों का अपना स्कूटर. In other words, हमारा बजाज. Something we could be owned with pride. For this, they used a tagline that is still considered to be one of the most successful one in our country, that is बुलंद भारत की बुलंद तस्वीर हमारा बजाज. Okay, you all have seen on the advertisement on your TV sets. So बुलंद भारत की बुलंद तस्वीर हमारा बजाज. The tagline हमारा बजाज become an integral part of the common man's life, and they could relate to it very well. Even after more than 40 years of its launch, the tagline and the scooter was still remembered by all, and that is brand value is created by its product and its name. Now, next topic that we have to discuss, that is creation of advertisement. Okay, how the advertisement created. Creation of advertisement is equally creative and challenging. There are many things that must be kept in mind while creating an advertisement. Whenever an existing product or a new product, a company must make assure that consumers are aware of it. Okay, that is why they approach advertising agencies that help them create a make on customers' mind and build a brand name and its value. The advertising done to purely promote a product and market is called commercial advertising. Okay, so what is commercial advertising? It means for promotion of any brand, the famous faces like cricketers, like film industries, heroines, okay, so they promote these products, and so this is known, this all process known as commercial advertisement. Okay, now advertisement relates a lot to money as well. Making and running advertisement on any media is a costly affair to attract and emerge customers, engage customers, and more importantly, hold their attention in the immense competition in the market. Many advertisers suggest involvement of celebrities, as I told you, the famous faces from the sports, from film industries. Okay, so advertisement are equally expensive for company. Charges of running advertisement on different media. Whenever media provides you the advertisement on your television set, or whenever you are surfing on internet, you are searching for something else and you get some advertisement there. Okay, whenever you are going to see any movie or any serial, after within this serials and breaks, you get a short advertisement of 2 or 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 30 seconds. Okay, so for this kind of advertisement, that company had to pay to their channel. Okay, thus a lot of different kinds of advertisement can be observed around us. That is all for today's video. In the next video, I will provide you impact of advertisement. It is what is the impact of advertisement on the public, on the people. So till then, you have to see all these 2 videos, and one more thing, you have to solve the questions given in your book. After that, next day I will provide you the last video of this chapter. Okay, till then, have a nice day. Thanks for watching.